Competition in the internet provider sector is good because it raises the quality and speed of connectivity and leads to cheaper costs. The Department of Information and Communications Technology, or DICT, is set to unveil a program dubbed Konektadong Pinoy, which will broaden access to connectivity at substantially lower costs, as we hear more from our Harley Valbuena.
Because it is more costly to avail of broadband internet, Aling Glenna instead chose a cheaper alternative, mobile internet data.
Yung ibang mga Pilipino, hindi rin po nila afford yung pagkaroon ng Wi-Fi. Kagaya ng yung mga fiber kasi mahal po eh. Kumpara po sa mga mobile data na may 100 pesos pwede na nilang magamit for 7 days.
Aling Glenna, who sees the internet connection in the Philippines as expensive, can benefit from the Konektadong Pinoy Bill once it is passed into law. The Konektadong Pinoy Bill will streamline licensing process and will not require internet service providers to secure legislative franchise. According to the Department of Information and Communications Technology, or DICT, since more internet service players are seen to enter the country through the proposed law, the internet competition will also grow and will eventually result in better but cheaper internet service.
It will increase the competition in the industry. At alam nyo na yan, pag mas mataas ang competition, automatic, bababa yung end user cost, bababa yung gastusin ng mga ordinaryong tao.
Secretary Aguda added that 30% of the country still has unstable internet connection, and this can be remedied if more data service providers will enter the Philippine market. DICT also shared that according to their study, young Filipinos want more options for internet service.
I think na kung mas dumami pa yung mga services na ganun, I think mas gaganda yung mga internet connection.
Opo, para mas mabilis pa yung connection sa Pilipinas.
Sa college, kailangan po natin yan para mas, lalo na may online class, doon natin nakakausap yung mga teachers and all.
In the face of concerns on possible entry of bad actors and risks in cybersecurity, DICT assured that this will be resolved by the Implementing Rules and Regulations, or IRR, of the proposed law.
Isa na dyan yung tawag namin Cyber Posture Assessment Laboratory, na yung papasok dito na kumpanya, ipapatest po natin yung mga equipment nila at saka cyber posture. And second, nandyan po yung mga policy na kasama rin natin yung mga telco na babalangkas.
On the issues of facility sharing, DICT also said that government is ready to lend their fiber backbone facilities to data service providers. The department also assures public consultation and continuous dialogue with telcos will be held. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.